at Starbucks. So we have one of our new holiday drinks here. It's a sugar cookie almond milk latte. And we want to know, what is the better buy for us? Is it the tall, the grande, or the venti? So we're going to look at our first one right here, and I see that I'm trying to find the unit price. Anytime that I hear the word unit, I think of what number? Show me on your fingers right now. Unit means 1. Oh, nice job. Okay, so I know that the tall is $4.75 for 12 fluid ounces. So the very first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to set up line equals line. Line equals line. Okay, now I'm going to put my labels in. Well, I see that I'm talking about money and I'm talking about fluid ounces. On the count of 3, when we have money, does it go on the top or the bottom? 1, 2, 3. Nice. Money goes on top. That means fluid ounces on the bottom. And we can abbreviate fluid ounces as FL period OZ. Fluid ounces, FLOZ. Okay. So my very first ratio comes from my problem here. It tells us it's $4.75 for 12 fluid ounces. So I can.
Ms. Duggan?
Yes.
May I have Hunter George Simpson front desk?
Yep, it's on his way.
Thank you.
So we plug that in for us, okay? So now I have to put in my third number. Uh-oh. I don't have any other information there. What is my third number? I don't know what to plug in over here on my other ratio. Oh, we've got lots of volunteers. Addison, what do you got? 1. 1 is the top or the bottom on the count of 3?
Bottom.
1, 2, 3.
Bottom.
Bottom. We know that 1 goes in the denominator of the second ratio when we're talking about unit rate. Okay, now that we have it set up, we can use any of our 3 methods that we've been talking about. You can use the arrow method. You can just divide $4.75 divided by 12. Or you can use cross product, that bat and ball. I am going to use bat and ball today because we haven't done that one in class together yet. So I'm going to circle my 2 diagonals. You see how that kind of makes a bat? Kind of. Yeah, you guys, I'm not a great bat, but you get the idea. So we're going to take $4.75 times 1. Well, anything times 1, it's just itself. So $4.75. And then remember, you divide by the ball. So divide by that 12. Which is the exact same thing as what you do when you just divide those, right? And same thing with the arrow method. They all are coming out to do the exact same thing. We just have a different method. So whatever makes sense to you. Okay, so I gotta use my calculator. I'm gonna plug in $4.75. And I'm dividing it by 12. Oh, that's a crazy answer. Did I do something wrong? Let me just double check and make sure I put it in right. $4.75 divided by 12. Oh, that's right. Okay. Well, I know that I'm talking about money right here, right? So if I look at my answer, I see that it's $0 and then 0.395. I'm going to stop right there. Now, I know from our talk about money that whenever we are working with money, we have 2 digits behind our decimal point. So I could cover up that 5, and I know that money has to stop right there, okay? So my answer is either going to be 39 cents per fluid ounce, or I have to look to see if I need to round it up, okay? So I can go 39 cents, or if I round it up 1 cent, 39 cents plus 1 cent would be 40. So my answer is either going to be 39 cents or 40 cents. Now what tells me if I round it or not is that digit right behind my 9. Okay? My 5 tells that what to do. So remember, 5 and above, we're going to give it a shove. 4 and below, we're going to let it go. Since 5 is 5 and above, we're going to give it a shove. That means it's going to round up to 40 cents per fluid ounce. So I put that in the top there, and then my answer down here, my unit price is going to be 40 cents. I'm using slash to mean per. 40 cents per fluid ounce. And bubble that in. Okay, so now we're going to try the next one with our table teams.